ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin, hanggang pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Sing me a song again, Daddy. Sing me a happy verse. Teach me those clever rhymes you sang as you carried me on your shoulders. Sing me that hymn that you so loudly sang in church with Mom. Sing it again to me and fill me with all your words of wisdom, comforting words of love when I would get home from school in tears. Somehow your songs have stayed within me down through all the years. Once when my younger heart was broken, your shoulder was there to cry on. Sing me those songs I know will linger long after you have gone. I am standing at the threshold of a chapter in my life. I am asking for sing as I'm about to be the wife of a man I know who loves me, and I'm proud to be his bride.